Hi everybody, Carter Heiser, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. Let me tell you about this 2017 Ford F-250 XLT. This truck has 89,000 miles on it, or 86,000 miles on it when we got it. I'm going to drive it about 3,000 miles, so between 86 and 89,000 miles. One owner, minor fender bender on the Carfax. Fully inspected. We're going to buy you a 12-month, 12,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's good nationwide. You can upgrade it really reasonably. Truck stock under the hood. It's got the fifth wheel ball, 6.5 foot box, Powerstroke. You can hear that. Bucket seats, power driver's seat, big touch screen, sink, tow package, locking rear diff, tonneau cover. Tires are deep. Truck's really nice and clean inside and out. Getting stock. We're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. Just a nice truck. One owner again. Carfax doesn't say that, but reading it you can tell. You can see it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. AutoramaAuto.com. Again, we're the dealership without the outrageous hidden fees. So come and see us. There's a good chance I'm driving this truck. Give us a call ahead of time. AutoramaAuto.com.